Welcome to this video guys. In this video I'll show you how you can download and install Microsoft Excel for free, and we will also open an Excel file to verify this. First go to this URL. I'll have this in the description below. Just click on this link and click on download, and as you can see the deployment tool is downloaded. Now go to wherever you have downloaded this and double click this. If you're asked to you want to allow this app to make changes, just click on yes. Click here to accept, click continue. Now you need to choose where you want to extract these files, so I'll just do it in the downloads folder itself. Click on OK, click OK, and now you'll have these two files. Okay, now what you need to do is create a new folder. Let's call this office, and move this setup.exe inside this office. Now it is here. Now we need to download something else, so we need to create a configuration file, and you can go to this link. Again, this link is also in the description, and follow the steps that I'm doing here. So architecture is 64 itself, and if you want to know if your architecture is 32 or 64, check the link in the description. This will show you if your OS architecture is 32 or 64, but in most cases it is 64-bit. So you can try with 64-bit without even checking the video, because most modern computers have 64-bit. Now here you need to choose which Microsoft Office you want to install. So we will choose LTSC Standard 2021 volume license. The license is pre-included in this, so you don't have to activate it later, and you can skip these parts. And in the version, just choose the latest version. And here, as you can see, there's a bunch of apps like Excel, OneNote, PowerPoint. So if you just want to install Excel, you can uncheck everything else. Okay, and you can just install Excel. But I also want to install, let's say, PowerPoint, Word with this, so you can check whatever you want to install. So I have Excel checked, PowerPoint checked, and Word checked. Now click on next. In language, select whatever language you want. I'll just choose English United States, and you can skip the additional languages. Click on next again. And in installation, there are a bunch of options. Again, you just click next. Here also just click next, and in licensing and activation, as you can see, there's already a license applied to this, so you don't need to activate it later. Again, click on next, and here you don't need to enter anything. Click next. Finally, in application preferences also, scroll down and click finish. Once everything is done, your configurations are ready. Just click on export and click on keep current settings and click on OK. Click accept, and here you need to write a file name. So I'll keep it configuration, but remove the first C and make it small c instead of capital C. Now click on export, and finally your configuration file will be downloaded. If you are shown this warning, just click on keep. And now let's go wherever we have downloaded this. Now let's move this inside our office folder, and inside our office folder we have two things now: setup.exe and configuration.xml. Now you need to enter two commands and your installation will start. Let's open command prompt in this directory. So here in the address bar, just click and type cmd and hit enter, and command prompt will open in this directory. Now enter this command, setup.exe / make sure this is the slash that you are using, not this slash. Okay, so we are using backward slash, and then download, and then our configuration file name, that is this file name. Everything has to match perfectly, even the capital case and small case and so on. Hit enter, and now you will download the installation files. After the download is complete, I will show you how you can install it. So as you can see, some files are already downloaded. Let's wait for around 2 minutes till the download is complete. So after a while, the download will be complete. Now if you check inside the office folders, you will see some data that has some data for installing Office. Okay, now open your command prompt again and enter this command, setup.exe. Again, instead of download, this time we type /configure and then configuration.xml. Hit enter, and your installation should start. Again, if you're asked to you want to allow this app to make changes, click on yes. Now in your case, if the installation has started, let it finish and everything will be installed. But if you are seeing the error like me, this means that you don't have permission to install this. So what you can do is close this, okay, and close this too. Press your Windows key and type cmd. This time run it as administrator. Now we need to go to this directory. So we are in C, right? So what you can do is CD and then again press here, copy this path, come here, enter it, hit enter, and now you are inside the installation directory. Now enter the same command, that is setup.exe / setup configure and then configuration.xml, hit enter, and this time, as you can see, installation has started without any errors. Now let's wait till the installation is complete and I will show you how you can open Excel and so on after the installation is complete. So after a while, you'll see this message that says Microsoft Office is installed and you are all set. So click on close and let's open Excel. Press your Windows key and type EXCEL, and as you can see, it is installed. Now let's see if this is free or this is already activated. Open it and click the license agreement, click accept, click next, and here you can just click on no need to send optional data, and click on done. So now we have Excel, and as you can see, you are not seeing any activation warning, and you can open any of the CSVs or any of the welcome CSV. I'll just open this and click on create, and as you can see, we are in Excel and we can use full features of Excel and everything is working well and you don't get any activation or license warning. So this is how you can install Excel in Windows 11 for free. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.